guys, welcome back to the Romano Show, and today we are doing a Friday Night Funkin video. We're versing Tankman. Here's Ellie. Alright, so we are versing Tankman.
What's up, Doc?
I have a haircut later, so we gotta get right into this. So, alright, this is it. Week 7, easy. We're gonna go all the way to hard. Okay, you guys, so here we go. Arrows. He does say some bad words, so I'm just going to turn it down for this part. While he says these bad words, I'm just... you can't even hear him. Alright, let's see what... I need to hear the rhythm.
Oh,
whoa!
no.
Oh, this is...
No.
Alright, I have versed Tankman once.
Beat all the levels. And that's that.
No, don't tell!
There's a secret thing.
There's a secret thing at the end of Tankman. Oh boy. So I like Tankman actually. His song's really good.
Yeah.
Especially the YouTube video Friday Night Funkin' we did. Oh I kinda missed that. Oh no. Oh, I did it! I did it! I didn't get any wrong during that!
I know you did that in full focus.
Oh shoot. His tank is broken, man. We're beating him.
No, I'm there.
Oh shoot!
This is gonna be easy for Dad. Dad's like a kind of a pro at this game. But Ro is a better pro.
What about Ellie? Ellie, you don't really play this game though.
Yeah.
I haven't got all the way.
I can only beat tutorial easy. Easy tutorial.
You should try Daddy Dearest.
No, I never.
Oh, save girlfriend. She's like putting her arms up.
Yeah, I did that in one of our videos. If you
shoot.
saw it, take me.
Oh no, he kind of got it. Oh, is this normal level? We beat him. Nice.
No.
Alright, normal level I always have a hard time with. Now, he does... I don't want to really hear him just say things. He just kind of annoying. Oh! Hey, why are you turning it up? Just leave
Girlfriend's crying.
He probably said something mean. That's why we don't want to hear it. Oh, this made me fast.
Oh, I love this music. Oh, scientist goggles.
I like Tankman, man.
I'm a pro scientist. You, did you too?
No.
Yes.
Oh! I think I might get this, man. Okay. Nice! Oh, no.
I wish girlfriend was real. Do you?
Oh, no.
That makes sense.
Oh!
Right, down.
Alright, we're beating him all the way.
Yeah, his tape's broken in that eye. Up, down,
Oh, shoot.
right, down, up, right.
Oh, don't help me! Don't help me! This is confusing. I've got it. Oh, shoot. Number level I always have a hard time with, but now I'm beating him full way.
Our level is so
Oh,
easy.
dang it! Alright, I know.
We
Alright.
always have trouble with that part.
Yep. Oh, no.
The song
Oh,
is
no,
so
this is
good.
so long.
This song is so long. Lemon Monster is.
Lemon Monster's probably loud.
It's also Spook Month.
Spook Month I don't like, really. Nice. Something right in my eye. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, shoot! This part I always have a hard time with.
Boyfriend.
I lost the rhythm.
I mean, Tankman.
Really?
Tankman is better at that.
No, he's not. I will beat him.
I know, but his song's just so good. Do you think Girlfriend's Poppy?
No.
I think it might be Poppy. There's a mod where Girlfriend's Poppy.
Who played that mod? Alright, so we got his glass broken. His tank broken, sorry. What is going to happen next in this? So we turn it down again. Alright, here we go. What is it? I have a feeling he's saying so many bad words right now, but I'm just not gonna. Something bad's gonna happen to girlfriend. I just think
I just know it.
I just
And we know the secret.
I pretty much forget it. Don't tell. Oh no, no! Oh, it's Pico! It's Pico! Yes! Pico! Oh. Go Pico! Oh, her carrying girlfriend! Oh no, this is gonna be... Ah! Go Pico! Oh shoot! Look how many people he's shooting with his blasters.
They're trying to steal girlfriends.
You would think so?
Yeah.
Nice!
I heard that Pico saves you at the end.
I'm pretty sure he does.
He does.
Oh shoot.
I sometimes play this game like Poppy Playtime Chapter 1. We love Poppy Playtime.
Yep, we're pretty much too big of fans of it.
Yeah. We're also
Am I beating him?
Alright.
Are we beating him? Oh no.
You're beating him, yes. You're very much beating him.
Oh shoot.
His tank is cracked.
Good boy.
He's in big trouble. Oh no,
shoot.
he's normal.
That was awful. Oh, now he's not.
He's cracked.
Now he's not.
I think they're trying to shoot girlfriend.
No, Pico's trying to save you, man.
I know,
This
but
is why I
they're
love Pico.
Yeah,
We're
Pico's
still going at the
saving.
same time as him.
I heard that guy is stretchy.
Oh shoot.
That
Oh shoot.
guy is stretchy.
Are we beating him? Alright, nice! So much is happening right now. Oh, come on. And we're wearing our merch right now. On our show. Oh, shoot! Okay. We're killing him! Oh, dang it!
You can do this. Girlfriend's happy.
Are we beating him?
Yes.
We got it! What happens?
Pico.
What's happening? Whoa. What's happening? Why is it glitchy? What's happening? It's Daddy Dearest, Mommy, where's Pico? Mommy Monster. That guy. Dumb guy. This guy. Your father. Daddy Dearest. Spooky. Mommy Monster. Pico.
I love Pico.
Yeah, Pico. Her mother. Mommy Dearest. Pico. Oh no, that one's not good. Save him! Who's that? Let me Monster. Oh no, that guy.
I hate that.
Oh, that dumb. Oh, Tankman. What's that? Oh, it's Witty. Daddy Dearest. Oh my god. Among Us. Oh my god. Pico.
How does Pico
Cartoon.
feel?
Cartoon. Glitch Park. Grown up thing. Lemon Monster Green. I can't name all these, man. What's happening? You guys, what is happening? Why are so many comments? Kickstart! Oh my god, so many weeks! What happened? We just hit enter.
Are they new levels?
Oh, it's reloading.
What if week 7 is Winnie?
This is new. There's a Kickstarter. Oh my god, thank you guys so much for watching. Well, we'll get to Kickstarter soon.
How did Pico save you though?
I know, but you just did. See you guys. Bye.